When Sheldon was doing our taxes, he noticed a missing check. Before I answer, do you trust me enough to understand that it was for good reason?
Okay, now before I answer that,
Just tell me what you did.
I got a DWI. It's not as bad as it sounds.
How is driving drunk not bad?
I wasn't exactly driving. I was at the dog track with Georgie, and I had a few.
But you don't have a license.
That's why we swapped places after the cop pulled us over.
I had nothing to do with this part.
I didn't want Georgie to get into trouble, so I got behind the wheel before the cop walked up. And then I got arrested, and he bailed me out.
So you all thought you should keep this from me.
Yeah.
Okay, here's what's gonna happen. You are staying at her house until I say otherwise. You went gambling, and you drove without a license, and you lied to my face.